Welcome to the GOVIND INDRAPRASTHA University East Campus, the connoisseur of futuristic design studies. It is located at Surajmal Vihar with passive solar building design. Energy-efficient thermal-resistant walls, roofs, and glazing allows for sufficient and indirect sunlight. The main university building comprises the School of Architecture, Central Library, and School of Design. This is an exemplary institution where technology meets creative brains to bring about a better tomorrow. Moving from the academic building, have a look of the centralized air-conditioned auditorium. With a capacity of 650 students, this massive auditorium also consists of seminar and exhibition halls that promise to fulfill extracurricular programs. The semi-covered amphitheater has strength for 500 students. GOVIND INDRAPRASTHA University reflects smart precision in campus designing. It is designed in such a tasteful way that 50% of hard paved areas of the campus would be shaded by vegetation to lend overall aesthetic feel to the campus. Every corner of this vast campus speaks volumes of an ideal blend of sustainability and creativity to be passed on to the students. One of the several unique architectural steps is the use of intensive stepped terrace gardens on each floor. This campus enjoys cooling automatically by an earth-air tunnel system. Overall, it is a green zone that promises comfortable ecological spaces. This university is an amalgamation of tomorrow's technology and aesthetic settings. It beckons young minds to take a brilliant step towards a fruitful future. The Central Library and Computer Center is designed with a chilled beam air conditioning system. The native landscaping of the campus is proposed to lower water consumption as much as 50% by reusing treated wastewater annually. The multi-level parking area also has a separate basement parking lot. You can see a world-class covered parking arrangement for 450 cars. Gliding over the planned green campuses, you will have a feel of an institution that will transport you to a world of abundant greenery, unique architecture, and of course, spaces to create. For holistic development of learners, recreational facilities are also available in the university campus, as you can see, well-designed sports hall and play fields. The indoor sports hall has a capacity for 300 spectators. Another distinct feature is the sunken courtyards that are used for natural light passage and ventilation. GOVIND INDRAPRASTHA University ensures a nurturing environment for over 1,500 students, providing hostel facilities for both girls and boys. As you can see, there is also a hostel for teachers, thus promoting a healthy community feeling. The university has installed a 2-megawatt solar power system that makes it a net zero energy campus. More than 70% of hot water